Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Next channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Kali Linux 2024.1 on your Windows 10 or 11 machine using VirtualBox. This is a great way to run Kali Linux without modifying your primary operating system. Let's get started. First, we need to download VirtualBox. Open your web browser and go to virtualbox.org. Click on Download VirtualBox. Choose the Windows host and the download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, let's install VirtualBox. Locate the downloaded file and double-click it to run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions and keep the default settings unless you have specific preferences. Click Install, and once the installation is complete, click Finish. Next, we need to download the Kali Linux 2024.1 ISO file. Go to the official Kali Linux website at kali.org. Navigate to the Download section and select the appropriate ISO file for your system. Click Download and wait for the process to complete. Now, let's create a new virtual machine in VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox and click on New. Enter a name for your virtual machine, like Kali Linux 2024.1. Select Linux as the type and Debian 64-bit as the version. Click Next. Next, we need to allocate memory for the virtual machine. Choose the amount of RAM you want to allocate. I recommend at least 2 GB, 2048 MB, for Kali Linux. Click Next. Now, let's create a virtual hard disk. Set the disk size to at least 20 GB and click Create. Let's configure the settings of the virtual machine before we start the installation. Select your newly created virtual machine and click on Settings. Go to System and ensure that the boot order has Optical at the top. Next, go to Storage. Click on the empty disk icon under Controller, IDE, and then click on the disk icon next to Optical Drive. Choose a disk file and select the Kali Linux ISO you downloaded. Click OK to save the settings. Now, we are ready to start the virtual machine and install Kali Linux. Click on Start to boot up the virtual machine. You'll see the Kali Linux installer menu. Choose Graphical Install and press Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Select your language, location, and keyboard layout. Configure your network settings and create a user account. Partition the disks by choosing Guided. Use the entire disk. Finish the installation and reboot the system. And that's it. You've successfully installed Kali Linux 2024.1 on Windows 10 11 using VirtualBox. You can now start using Kali Linux for all your security and penetration testing needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to IT Next channel for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.